In this video, I'm going to talk about Quick Access Toolbar in Microsoft Excel. The Quick Access Toolbar is a small customizable toolbar at the top of Office application window that contains a set of frequently commands. These commands can be accessed from almost any port of the application independent of the ribbon tab that's currently opened. The Quick Access Toolbar has a drop-down menu containing a predefined set of commands which may be displayed or hidden. Additionally, it includes an option to add your own commands. You can customize or free to personalize the Quick Access Toolbar with the following things, such as add your own commands, change order of commands, both default and custom, display the Quick Access Toolbar in one of two possible locations, add macros to the Quick Access Toolbar, export or import customization. Here is a list of the following that you cannot do or change to or cannot customize to the Quick Access Toolbar. You can only add command to the Quick Access Toolbar. Individual list item, individual style cannot be added. However, you can add a whole list or entire style gallery. Only command icons can be displayed, not the text label. You cannot resize the Quick Access Toolbar buttons. The Quick Access Toolbar cannot be displayed on a multiple lines. If you added more commands than the space available, some command won't be visible to view them. Click on more buttons and then it will be shown. If you want to change the the Quick Access Toolbar, you can click here and go to the options. From here we have the Quick Access Toolbar in the left, and from here we have all default commands here. We can also add more commands from here. Let's say I want to add copy. I select the copy and click add, and then if I want to let's say add the cut also, I can also add here. So we have a lot of options from here. Based on the criteria we talked, we only add those commands that are permissible. So we just come here and add the commands from the left side to the right side, and the commands will be added to the Quick Access Toolbar. If we want to export this customization, we can also export here or import a customization file if you want. Now we added here, so as you can see, we all have these options. We can also remove the options from here. Let's say I want to remove this one back, so I click it. As you can see, the sort descending, sort ascending is removed from the Quick Access Toolbar.